Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen. Today on the chopping block, we're going to be doing us some cube steak. Quick and easy. Alright, so I got 4 cube steaks right here. I like to pat these dry. Get most of that water out. I rinse mine off. I don't know about you, but I do. So that's what I do. I did one right here. And I'm just show you what I did. I took some of this all seasoning purpose. Sprinkle a little bit, like a quarter of seasoning on these cube steaks. Just like this, on both sides. There was some adobo. And it was some all-purpose season oil right here. And this right here is some thyme. Like so. Now if you wanted to, you could mix this up. I'm just going to eyeball mine. So it's going to be a quarter teaspoon on everything. This is right here some coriander. Go perfect on meat. I did not put any of this in the flour. But everything else I put in the flour, it was a quarter. Here's some granulated onion. Some granulated garlic. Alright. And black pepper. That's all I did, fam. Alright, and I press down on it like so. Then you can season the other side up. Do that just like that. Put it over here in the other pan, right here, the flour. Let it soak up some of that flour. The more flour you got in there, the thicker your crust gonna be. But we're gonna use some of that too. But we're gonna use some of this gravy mix right here. So it takes like 1 cup per package. But we're going to put like 1.5 cup. Because we're going to let this, just cook up for a while. Let it marinate or whatever in the juices. Alright fam. I'm going to go ahead and take this to the stove and sear this up. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. I like to cook like 2 of these at a time because they're kind of big. So we'll start frying up. I had to turn it off because I was showing you guys what I was doing. But don't worry about it. It will pick up. See how big that is? So that's why you're only going to do 2 of them at a time. But make sure your skillet is kind of like a little hotter than mine. And we're going to cook that for about 3 minutes on each side. I'll show you guys how it looks in a second. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm going to strip this nice and easy. It starts sweating, that's when you want to flip it. Just like that. Don't go moving nothing around, just let it fry. Then we're going to take that out, do the other 2, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next after that in a minute. Alright, these are the last 2 right here. I'm only cooking 4 of them. I decided not to use the seasoning, the gravy, because I already have seasoned flour over there, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. I'll probably get rid of some of this grease after this cook, and let's go ahead and make my own. But if you want to put these like some onions and whatever, bell peppers and whatever you put in your seasoning, your gravy, you can do that as well. So I'm just letting you know what I'm about to do. I'll change my mind on the gravy package because it won't make no sense for me to use that and I already got flour. So I'll see you guys when this stuff is done in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. Got most of the out of there. We come with that flour that I had. It only makes sense, you know. Put a little bit more oil in here. All right. Now, if you want to put some onions and stuff in here at this point, you should. The darker you let this get, the darker your gravy is going to be. So you do want to cook this, because it's going to be pasty if you don't. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to put some water in here. This is roughly 2-3 cups. So you want to kind of loose regardless, okay? Because you got crust on that meat. Sorry about that. And this will thicken up. I promise you that. I'm going to put my meat up in here. Like so. We're going to probably put some more water in there. Yeah, just make your own gravy, man. I wanted to do a lazy day, but sometimes lazy ain't always the way. So let me turn this down on medium since it's bubbling. And I like to add a little bit of more black pepper to mine. I'll probably put some Italian seasoning in it. That's all I do. Matter of fact, it's just going to be oregano. I got some Italian. I'm just doing some oregano in there. Put a little soy sauce in there. Alright. Alright guys, we're just gonna let this cook. I put like about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're just gonna let this cook for about a good 45 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna cover it up and that's it. Alright fam, I'm back. These are my cube steaks. Show you that up close. All right. Now, if you guys like this recipe, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, you already know, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. Much love and God bless you.